Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Audi RS3. In a world where performance and practicality often clash, the 2024 Audi RS3 emerges as the definitive solution, earning the title of the best small car for 2025. This compact powerhouse seamlessly blends thrilling performance, luxurious features, and cutting-edge technology, making it a standout in the competitive small car segment. Dynamic performance. At the heart of the 2024 Audi RS3 is a potent 2.5-liter turbocharged 5-cylinder engine that delivers an exhilarating 401 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. This unique engine configuration not only provides a distinct sound but also ensures rapid acceleration, propelling the RS3 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, the RS3 offers superb handling and traction, whether on winding roads or the racetrack. The RS3's adaptive suspension system, along with its selectable driving modes, allows drivers to tailor the car's performance characteristics to their preferences. Whether opting for a comfortable daily drive or a spirited weekend outing, the RS3 delivers a versatile driving experience that few competitors can match. Sophisticated design. The 2024 Audi RS3 boasts a striking design that exudes both aggression and elegance. Its wide stance, flared wheel arches, and signature RS honeycomb grille give it a commanding presence on the road. The Matrix LED headlights with dynamic turn signals and large air intakes further enhance its sporty appearance. Inside, the RS3 offers a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship. The sport seats, upholstered in fine Nappa leather with contrast stitching, provide excellent support and comfort. The flat-bottom steering wheel, adorned with RS badging, and aluminum or carbon fiber trim accents underscore the car's performance pedigree. Advanced technology and connectivity. The RS3 is equipped with a suite of advanced technologies that enhance both convenience and safety. The Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, provides customizable displays of key driving information, including a special RS layout with performance metrics. The NMI Touch Response System with a 10.1-inch touchscreen offers seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Connectivity features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system ensure an immersive audio experience. The RS3 also includes advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and parking sensors, ensuring a safe and confident driving experience. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Audi RS3 has garnered significant attention from automotive enthusiasts and experts alike. Its combination of performance, luxury, and advanced technology positions it as a leader in the compact car segment. With a competitive starting price and a range of customization options, the RS3 offers excellent value for discerning drivers. The 2024 Audi RS3 is now available at Audi dealerships worldwide, ready to redefine the standards for small performance cars. Its blend of exhilarating power, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge technology makes it the top choice for 2025. Conclusion. The 2024 Audi RS3 sets a new benchmark for small cars, combining dynamic performance with luxury and advanced features. As the best small car for 2025, it offers an unparalleled driving experience that caters to both performance enthusiasts and everyday commuters. Audi's commitment to innovation and excellence ensures that the RS3 remains a top contender in the compact car market, providing a thrilling yet practical choice for drivers seeking the best of both worlds.